Hi, again, this is Melody, and today we are going to talk about Marie Curie in Unit 10 of English Reading Basic 6. Marie Curie was a Polish-born French physicist and chemist famous for her work on radioactivity. She was a pioneer in the field of radioactivity and the first person honored with 2 Nobel Prizes in physics and chemistry. She was also the first female professor at the University of Paris. Alright, now that you know a little about Marie Curie, let's find out more about her life as we read the passage. I think that in this passage I am going to read from the first sentence, from here until here. Then you will read the rest. Listen carefully. Many scientists in history have changed our lives a lot. Were there only male scientists? Of course not. There have been many female scientists. One of them was Marie Curie. She and her husband were genius scientists. They were both interested in physics. Your turn to read. Good job. Thank you very much for reading. Now, before we will move on, I will just point out some important details in the passage. Okay? Marie Curie and her husband both discovered radioactivity, and she was the first female professor at the University of Paris, as well as the first scientist who won 2 Nobel Prizes. Okay. Now let's continue to select true or false. Encircle T if the statement is true, and encircle F if the statement is false. Number 1. There were only male scientists. Is it true or false? Okay, it's F, false. There were also female scientists like Marie Curie. Number 2. Marie Curie discovered radioactivity. Is it true or false? It's F, false. It wasn't only Marie Curie who discovered radioactivity, but also her husband. Number 3. Marie Curie won 3 Nobel Prizes. Is it true or false? Alright, it is also F, false. She won 2 Nobel Prizes, not 3. Let's continue to word box. Okay. Now, all the words found here are used in the passage. Beside the English word is the pronunciation and the Korean translation. The purpose of the Korean translation is to let you know the meaning of the English word better. Let's pronounce the words correctly. Repeat after me. Male, female, genius, physics, experiments, radioactivity, microwave oven, professor. Good job. Now let's continue to vocabulary checkup. Complete the sentences. Each sentence has a Korean translation so that you can get the answer clearly. Number 1. Everybody calls an a blank. What's the missing word? Okay, it's Genius. Number 2, the important blank has failed. What's the missing word? Alright, it's experiment. Number 3, blank was found in the crops. What's the missing word? Alright, it's the microwave oven. Number 4, I have a very difficult job project in blank. What's the missing word? Alright, it's physics. Congratulations, you did very well in Unit 10. In our next video, we will move on to reading comprehension of Unit 10. Once again, this is Melody, and I am encouraging you to study with us here in Camglish.com. We assure you that we will be able to help you improve your communication skills in English. Bye!